Welcome back, lovely people. Today we're tackling a common problem that many developers face when working with CSS transitions. The issue at hand involves rotating a parent circle without affecting its child elements. Imagine you have this beautiful circle with child items inside, and you want to rotate the circle but keep the child items in place. It's a classic CSS conundrum, right? Let's dive into the solution that will save the day. The key lies in synchronizing the transitions between the parent circle and its children. By applying the same transition property to both the parent circle and the child items, we ensure that they move harmoniously. Now onto the nitty-gritty details of the script. First up, we have the JavaScript snippet that initializes the rotation functionality. We target the circle element, increment the degrees by 60 with each rotation, and update the CSS variable accordingly. Simple and effective, right? Moving on to the CSS magic that brings it all together. The styles for the parent circle include essential properties like border, height, and width, along with the crucial transform and transition declarations. These ensure a smooth rotation experience with a touch of elegance. But wait, there's more! The child items also get their fair share of CSS love, with transforms and transitions that complement the parent circle's movements seamlessly. Last but not least, the HTML structure that ties everything into a visually pleasing display. Each child item is intricately styled to maintain its position relative to the parent circle's rotation. And of course, the button element triggers the rotation function, adding an interactive twist to the whole affair. In summary, we've explored a clever solution to the common CSS problem of rotating a parent element without disturbing its children. By synchronizing transitions and applying strategic CSS rules, we've achieved a visually captivating effect that's bound to impress. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Keep coding and stay fabulous.